Hello there, thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are celebrating a not too shabby shop hop. We are celebrating the box of the month for August 2022. So for the box of the month, it goes live every first of the month. And every first of the month there is a giveaway. All that you have to do is check out all of the other participants by searching hashtag N2S Fall Sunshine. Or you can also click down below. I will have all the information down below. And then for the giveaway, just make sure to add on your entry by clicking on the link below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so here's a closer look at all 3 stamp sets that comes with the kit. For today's card, I will be using the 3rd stamp set here. This one is called Warm Drink Cold Day. Okay, so to create the background for my card panel, I am going in with this awesome Picket Fence Studios frame die. And I'm using one of the pattern papers from the Fall Sunshine stamp set. So when I die cut this out, I pretty much have to piece it all together. So the frame die, I die cut that in gold. And in the insert, I die cut it out of a black and white pattern paper from the set. Now going in with a stitch circle die that I have in my stash, I selected the size that was a little bit larger than the coffee mug. And I went ahead and cut that out of vellum paper. Okay, so to assemble the card together, I went ahead and kind of played around with the placement to see what I wanted. And once I was happy with the placement, I went in with liquid adhesive. I glued down the vellum circle down onto the pattern paper. I only placed the liquid adhesive in the center of the vellum because I didn't want the glue to show. Since the coffee mug will be covering the center area, that part's going to cover the glue. Okay, and for the coffee mug, I wanted a little bit of dimension on it. So I applied foam strips onto the back of the coffee mug and adhered it to the front of the card panel. Okay, so now for the sentiment. I usually like a pre-made sentiment strip, and I haven't been using it often enough, but I have a whole bunch of it in my stash. So I just grabbed one here and I'm going in and I'm just trying to select which one I want on my card panel. So I love this because there's so many different options you can go with and they're pretty affordable. I will link everything down below if you're interested in checking it out. So I went ahead and decided on one of the strips and I adhered it onto my card panel using liquid adhesive. I then went ahead and adhered it to a side folding card base. This card base that I'm using, it's a pre-cut, pre-scored card base that I love to use all the time. It's by Photoplay Say It With Stamps. And the outside of the card is now finished, but I really like the sentiment. So I wanted to stamp it on the inside of the card. So here you can see me stamping that out in black ink. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to go ahead and search up N2S Fall Sunshine to check out all of the other fabulous cards during this hop. Okay, until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.